Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. 2 quiet settings, including high heat and low heat plus an auto setting, make this electric space heater ideal for warming up an area in your home or home office. With widespread oscillation, this heater distributes warm air throughout the room. Adjustable thermostat. The digital display allows you to adjust the heater's 1500-watt ceramic heating element. With an easy-to-read digital temperature display, you can select a wide range of temperatures in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Remote control and adjustable timer allows you to adjust the heater's temperature, timer, oscillation and more from a distance, while the easy-to-program timer allows you to select 1 hour to 8 hours in 1-hour intervals. Built iodine mononitride safety features. Overheat protection ensures the space heater does not overheat even if left on for an extended amount of time, while a cool touch exterior keeps the heater cool to the touch even after running for hours. Fully assembled allows you to take the heater out of the box and have it working in minutes. Simply plug the heater into a wall outlet, adjust the thermostat, and enjoy the warmth from your new Lasko space heater. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Stay comfortable. Extreme Heaters portable heater is designed to keep your boat, cabin, RV or other small space comfortable and cozy. No more worries. Our unique quiet portable space heater draws air from the top, allowing you to place the heater against walls, on carpeted surfaces, while still keeping you safe and comfortable. Stay safe. This heater features quiet operation, a low profile and stable base that prevents tipping. But accidents happen, and if your heater falls or tips in any direction, it will automatically turn off with our new tip-over switch, built for you. With the 751,500 watts heat settings, you can quickly warm your living space or efficiently maintain comfortable temperatures. Utilize the 6-foot power cord to give you more flexibility for heater placement. Built better. Our space heater with tip-over safety switch and automatic overheat protection is certified and tested with the UL 1278 standard. Buy the best. Buy Extreme. Our mission is to build the safest, most reliable and most efficient heaters available. Our heaters are made for unmatched strength and durability. If you aren't completely satisfied with your purchase, we will offer you a full refund or replacement. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. 2 quiet settings. This electric space heater features 2 quiet heat settings, high heat and low heat, plus an adjustable thermostat that will maintain the temperature in the room. The optional widespread oscillation feature on this heater evenly distributes warm air throughout the room. Remote control. Use the multifunction remote control to turn the heater on, off. Set the timer. Turn the oscillation on, off, or adjust the thermostat. For an added convenience, there is storage for the remote control on the back of the heater, so it won't get lost. Adjustable timer. This tower space heater features an auto-off timer function. Set the timer from 1 to 8 hours, in 1-hour increments, and the heater will automatically turn off after the selected timer. Built iodine mononitride safety features. Overheat protection ensures the space heater does not overheat even if left on for an extended amount of time, while a cool touch exterior keeps the heater cool to the touch even after running for hours. This heater is ETL listed for added safety. Fully assembled. Comes fully assembled and ready to use. Just take the heater out of the box and have it working in minutes. Simply plug the heater into a wall outlet. Adjust the thermostat, and enjoy the warmth from your new Lasko space heater. This space heater stands 23 inches high and 7 inches wide and weighs only 7.29 pounds. The lightweight design and the built-in carry handle makes it easy to move from room to room. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Wattage 1500.0 watts.